potato. With, you see they already start sprouting. So what I'm going to do, instead of me plant this one, I'm going to cut it in several pieces. So look at this. Anywhere you see the eye, you can cut that and get a piece of potato. Okay, so we have an eye there, so we're going to use a machete and we're going to slice that. With this one, we could slice this one in two because we have it pushing out there and it's also pushing out there. All right, so this is how we multiply our potato harvest. So now this is going to give us more potato, more root of potato. Okay, look at this. We have eyes here, we have eyes there. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it that like this. This one again, we have eyes here, we have eyes here, and it start putting out there. So all I'm just going to cut it into. A lot of people will just put them in the hole, but I've been doing this for years and I'm being very successful. So I think, you could do it your way, but this is how I do it and being very successful. I'm going to show you guys how I plant them as well. So instead of you do just put one potato, I'll cut it into 2, 3. So now you have 3 holes of potato that you could harvest from. You guys can check it out. It works because I've been doing it for years and like I said, very successful. See, this one have a bunch of eyes. So let me see. Okay, now I have a lot of potato here to plant, and in this area I already dig it up and soften it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plant these potatoes. The soil is very soft. I already dig the raised bed, so you got to put it this way, down once. This is how I plant potato, guys. For years, I'm very successful. This side, all the eyes, and you put it down like that. You give them a little room because you want every potato to be able to spread and give you. Just remember, guys, this piece goes down under the ground, under the soil. Okay. So we have a lot of potato. Just like this. Place this to the bottom. Okay, so let me put these up here. All right, so now all right guys, simple as that. So in this area we expect a lot of potato. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace and love.